is welcome in our lives. But I hope also Casey will take the time, because she's still relatively young, to maybe reconnect and then connect with new people in circles outside of show business. Kasi I just don't like na parang when I was very young, ang nakikita ko lang yung mga katrabaho ko. So I married Gabby, would have relationships with leading men, parang I just want something maybe better than what I went through. Not a better person, but just better elimination process. A better, more fair one for her. Para makikita niya people in showbiz at people outside of showbiz.
You said you would want to work with Piolo.
See, Tita, how they might make that big. I don't mean it. I just mean...
Who was once linked to, to your daughter? How about Paulo? Would you want to work with?
Sure. Anybody, Tita. Anybody that is suited to a role in a project that ABS will give to me, or Star Cinema. Anybody. Girls and boys. I'm excited. Young people re-energize me. And I learn from them too. Because it's a different generation from mine.
Thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, Tita. Thank you so much.